In this video, I'll show you how you can add your Discord server link on TikTok, and I'll show you how you can add it so people can actually go and click on the link and it takes them to your server. So what you need to do, you need to first go to Discord. So go and open up your Discord app and you need to choose your server that you want to get the link for. So I'm going to invite people here to my KnowledgeBase server. Once you've found the server, click on the three dots next to the name of the server and then click on invite, and this will give you the options to invite people to your server, as well as it will give you the invite link. So if you just click on settings on the invite link, the link will actually expire, so just go and click no limit and then the link won't expire, and then you can go ahead and create the link. And this link here, if you click on it, it's going to copy it to your clipboard and we can then go and paste it into TikTok. Now when you're in TikTok, you need to go to your profile. And a lot of other tutorials will tell you to go and add it to your bio, but if you add it to your bio, nobody will be able to click on it. So to actually add a clickable website, you want to go to your settings, which is going to be the three dots on the top right hand corner, then go to manage account. And here what you need to do, you need to go and switch to a pro account. So click on that and it will then open up a new page. It's completely free and you want to choose business. So click next on business and just choose any category here. I'm just going to choose gaming and then click next. Once you've done that, you can click skip here. So now if you go to edit profile, you should see next to website, you can go and add any website. So we can now go and paste in our Discord invite link, we can click save, and now if we go back, you can see we've got a clickable link to our Discord profile, which people can click on it, and it's going to take them to Discord. You can see you're about to open a link, and there you go, it takes them to an invite link of a Discord server.